Okay, so for this one we've got a word problem and it's talking about a courtyard that's shaped like a square. So what I would do is draw a picture of our courtyard. And so it's got shaped like a square with 250-foot long sides. So these are 250 feet all the way around. So what we want to know is the distance from one corner of the courtyard to the other. And so what's cool about a square is that's 90 degrees, and this will split it equally, so that's 45 and 45. So I'm trying to figure out what that x is. Well, if I go ahead and I label these pieces out, the part opposite the 90-degree angle is my hypotenuse, and the other two are my legs. Oops. So at this, I can use my equation here. Hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 2 times our legs. Well, my hypotenuse in this scenario is an x. That's what I'm trying to solve for. And it's square root of 2 times, well, my leg is 250. So x is equal to 250 times the square root of 2. And I would just say that this is feet. And that's the distance all the way across. The big thing about these is draw a picture to set them up so you can see what's going on.